How you like it in the chicken run? Hmm? Is it fun? Is it fun? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me talk to you? You want some mealyworms? Are she being babies? You catching all the buggins? Is she gonna catch everything? Get some air out of that cage for a little bit, huh? While the big ones are out. Yeah. Like your freedom? Yeah, you're gonna be dunking when you're full grown under this chicken tunnel. It's gonna be pretty big birds. Big birds. Big birds. Yeah. Pretty birds. So cute. Can't wait till they're big.